Hello everyone and welcome to today's documentary journey. Have you ever wondered how a humble tropical fruit becomes one of the most versatile ingredients in kitchens worldwide? Today we'll uncover the remarkable story of tamarind, from its early days as a seedling to its transformation into candies, jams, and sugared treats loved across Asia and beyond. Tamarind is no ordinary fruit. Native to Africa but now thriving in Asia, it carries a unique sweet and sour taste that defines many traditional dishes. In countries like Thailand, tamarind is more than just food. It is a cultural symbol and a vital source of income for farming families. The journey begins in carefully prepared fields with sandy loam or well-drained soil. Farmers loosen the earth, enrich it with compost or organic fertilizer, and make sure the pH is balanced for healthy growth. Tamarind can be grown from seeds, but for commercial orchards, grafting is the preferred method. By grafting healthy scions onto sturdy rootstocks, farmers ensure that each tree inherits the best qualities of its parent, while producing fruit more quickly and abundantly. This technique shortens the waiting time for harvest compared to traditional seed planting. Young grafted sapling, once they reach about 30 to 40 centimeters tall, are transplanted into orchards. Spacing is essential. Trees are usually planted 10 to 15 meters apart, giving each enough room to spread its canopy. In the first few years, farmers provide steady care watering during dry months, pruning away weak or diseased branches and protecting the young trees from pests. With proper care, tamarind trees begin to flower and bear fruit after 3 to 5 years. A mature tree can then continue producing pods for decades. In fact, some orchards in Thailand rely on trees that have been productive for over half a century. Once the young tamarind trees are established, farmers devote years of attention to ensure strong growth. Regular irrigation is especially important in the dry season. Many orchards now rely on drip irrigation, which delivers water directly to the roots, conserving resources while keeping the soil moist. Pruning is another key step. By shaping the canopy and removing dead or overlapping branches, farmers improve airflow and sunlight penetration. This not only strengthens the tree, but also prepares it to hold the heavy clusters of fruit when harvest season arrives. Like many crops, tamarind faces challenges from pests and diseases. Farmers protect their orchards from threats like fruit flies, stem borers, and leaf blight by combining organic treatments with natural predators. In places like Thailand, orchard hygiene and disease-resistant varieties are also part of a sustainable strategy that preserves both crop health and long-term productivity. After 4 to 7 years of growth, tamarind trees reach maturity. The pods ripen when their shells turn a rich brown, and the pulp inside becomes soft, sweet, and slightly tangy. In Thailand, the main harvest season falls between December and February. Farmers often start work early in the morning to avoid the midday heat. Armed with ladders, gloves, and baskets, they carefully climb or reach into the canopy to to cut ripe clusters without damaging branches. Each pod must be handled with care to avoid bruising the delicate pulp inside. Depending on the size of the orchard, harvest can last several weeks. A medium-sized farm may collect several thousand kilograms of tamarind each season. For farmers, this is both a demanding and rewarding time, the culmination of years of patient care. Once harvested, tamarind pods are transported to specialized processing facilities. Here, the transformation begins. Every step is designed to ensure hygiene, quality, and flavor preservation. The first stage is cleaning and peeling. Workers or machines carefully crack the brittle outer shells to reveal the sticky pulp. Any seeds and fibers are separated out, leaving behind the rich, dark flesh of the tamarind. This pulp is the foundation for many beloved products. In Thailand, one of the most popular products is sugared tamarind. To create it, only the ripest pods are chosen. After peeling and de-seeding, the pulp is coated in fine sugar, sometimes with a touch of salt or chili powder for extra flavor. The pieces are then dried until they develop the perfect chewy texture while keeping their natural sweet-sour balance. Finally, they are packed into sealed bags to ensure freshness. This treat has become a cultural symbol enjoyed locally and exported worldwide. Each bite offers a harmonious mix of sweetness and tanginess with just enough chew to make it irresistible. Another well-known product is tamarind jam. The pulp is cooked slowly with sugar water and sometimes ginger or salt, creating a smooth paste with a glossy reddish-brown color. Once cooled, it can be shaped into small balls coated in sugar and packaged as bite-sized candies. For candied tamarind, the pulp is simmered with syrup until it thickens, then molded and left to cool. This simple process turns tamarind into a shelf-stable snack that can last months without losing its flavor. Factories also prepare tamarind for preserves and canning. The pulp is peeled, de-seeded, and dried under controlled conditions. It is then packed into jars or tins, sometimes pasteurized to ensure long shelf life. This form allows tamarind to be shipped globally without compromising quality, providing international consumers with authentic taste straight from Southeast Asia. Throughout processing, strict quality checks are carried out. Any defective bruised or substandard pulp is separated. Workers inspect appearance, texture, and flavor to guarantee only the best product reaches the market. Packaged tamarind is labeled with origin date and storage instructions before heading to domestic and international markets. From Thai sugared tamarind snacks to Mexican drinks, and even sauces in Western kitchens, tamarind's sweet-sour flavor has made it a global favorite. It's not just delicious, tamarind is rich in vitamin C fiber and antioxidants supporting digestion, immunity, and heart health. Behind every product lies the dedication of farmers who carefully nurture, harvest, and process this fruit. Their work connects orchards to dining tables worldwide. So the next time you enjoy tamarind in a candy, a chutney, or a refreshing drink, remember the journey it traveled from seedling to harvest, from factory to your table. Tamarind is more than a fruit. It is culture, livelihood, and flavor united.